Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Notes. This is our second video on Embedded System MCQs. So our first question is, a dash is a heart of the embedded system. Options are A kernel, B CPU, C processor, D RAM. So correct answer is C processor. Now second question, what is 80-20 rule? Options are A 80% instruction is generated and 20% instruction is executed. B 80% instruction is executed and 20% instruction is generated. C 80% instruction is executed and 20% instruction is not executed. D 80% instruction is generated and 20% instruction are not generated. So correct answer is A. 80% instruction is generated and 20% instruction is executed. Now third question. What is CAM stand for? Options are A. Content addressable memory, B. Complex addressable memory, C. Computing addressable memory, D. Concurrently addressable memory. So correct answer is A. Content addressable memory. Now fourth question. Which is the most basic non-volatile memory? Options are A. Flash memory, B. PROM memory, C. EPROM, D. ROM. So correct answer is D. ROM. ROM is the most basic non-volatile memory. Now fifth question. Which of the following statements are true for von Neumann architecture? Options are A. Share bus between the program memory and data memory. B. Separate bus between the program memory and data memory. C. External bus for program memory and data memory. D. External bus for data memory only. So correct answer is A. Share bus between the program memory and data memory. Now sixth question. What is the purpose of address bus? Options are A. To provide data to and from the chip. B. To select a specified chip. C. To select a location within the memory chip. D. To select a read or write cycle. So correct answer is C. To select a location within the memory chip. Now seventh question. Which are the two main types of processor connection to the motherboard? Options are A. Socket and slot, B. Socket and pins, C. Slots and pin, D. Pin and port. So correct option is A. Socket and slot are the two main types of processor connection to the motherboard. Now eighth question. Which of the following is replaced with the absolute addressing mode? Options are A. Relative addressing mode, B. Protective addressing mode, C. Virtual addressing mode, D. Temporary addressing mode. So correct answer is A. Relative addressing mode. Now ninth question. What is the main purpose of memory management unit? Option are A. Address translation, B. Large storage, C. Reduce the size, D. Provide address space. So correct answer is A. Address translation. Now 10th question. Which of the following are interface as input to the parallel port? Option are A. LED, B. Switch, C. Alphanumeric display, D. 7 segmented display. So correct answer is B. Switch. Now 11th question. Which of the following are interface as the output to the parallel port? Options are A. Keyboards, B. Switches, C. LEDs, D. Knob. So correct answer is C. LEDs. Now 12th question. How many registers are there to control the parallel port in the basic form? Options are A. 1, B. 3, C. 2, D. 5. So correct answer is C. 2. Two registers are there to control the parallel port in the basic form. Now 13th question. Which are the two main type of processor connection to the motherboard? Options are A. Socket and slot, B. Socket and pins, C. Slot and pin, D. Pin and port. So correct answer is A. Socket and slot. Now 14 question. Which of the following can be described as general purpose? Options are A. Multifunction input output port, B. Input port, C. DMA port, D. Output port. Correct answer is A. Multifunction input output port. Now last question, that is 15. Which of the following has programmable hardware? Options are A. Microcontroller, B. Microprocessor, C. Coprocessor, D. FPGA, that is Field Programmable Gate Array. So correct answer is D. FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array. So thank you.